how to replace your lane departure warning actuator. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I'm going to be replacing the lane departure warning actuator. You can see the Dorman part number right here. And here's the actuator. There's one on either side of the seat. Normally it's the left side that goes out, and that's what happened on mine. And it's easy to tell if you're driving and you kind of veer off to the right out of your lane, the right side will vibrate. But if you veer to the left, instead of the left vibrating, it'll beep, and then you get the warning. And that's pretty much an easy way to tell that this is bad. So we're going to go ahead and get the old one out and get this one in. It's a T15 right here. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna get this T15 out, see if I can pull back the plastic trim on the side of the seat. I have the leather cover pulled up in the front, have one screw out here. It's gonna give me enough room to just pull this back. And there's another clip right here on the side I need to undo. All right, so there's two clips on the side. One here and one here. They're like little J hooks. You just need to undo, and you can get this out of the way. And this is as far as you need to go with this. But look right here, you'll see a split in the seat. And here is our actuator. And as you can see, my wire is completely snapped off. So let me find it underneath the seat and unplug it. All right, going in through the back door, we're gonna look underneath the seat. And I'll show you which connector it is. It's going to be this gray connector right here with the red and black wire coming out. Just going to pull the tab and release that. There it goes. I'm just going to pull it through since it's already broken. Installation is going to be the reverse of this process. I'm going to take my new actuator, feed the wire down through the hole, then we'll pull it from under the seat, snap it in, and just put everything back together. I have the leather cover, pull it back down, snap the two clips in. Now put the cover back on. Snapped on the two plastic clips in the front. And I reinstalled the T15 screw right here. As you can see, I have the new actuator snapped in right here. So that's pretty much it. Everything is back together. You won't get the warning anymore in the gauge cluster, and the left side of the seat will vibrate. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.